Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at this little piano here, or keyboard. As you can see, it is a really nice model. I have to say that. Unfortunately, I had to mute the whole thing because, yeah, I was not hearing my voice very well, so I had to re-record everything into that. So, yeah, you have to believe it just sounds like your average keyboard. It's not nothing special though. But what really is setting this piece apart from other keyboards is that it actually is made of wood. Like the whole frame, the whole system is solid wood, and I think that is so special, unique, and cool that I definitely had to share that with you guys. So if that's something that you are also liking, this is definitely something to keep in mind when you're buying a keyboard, because it just gives it a more natural feeling, a more like piano-ish feeling, and I'm so happy about that. Besides that, it's your average keyboard. There's a bunch of different settings and setups that you can do. You can choose the sound, you can choose the volume, you can decide how much bass and all that. You have some preset melodies in here. Mm, you have quite some possibilities to choose from, basically. That's what I'm trying to say here. But yeah, it is, as I said, really nice only or just for the fact that it is made of solid wood, because that is just amazing. I haven't seen that before, and I think it just adds up quite nicely. Up here, there's the menu bar, and as you see, there's like a lot. There's like tempo and dual and fill-ins and functions and selections and a bunch of stuff that you can actually check out and rush through and find what you are needing for your masterpiece that you're going to compose. So yeah, definitely need some time to get used to because it's quite a bit of options as you can see here. And you can combine them and you can also record stuff, which is kind of cool too. Not sure if that's probably pretty basic though, but I thought it was kind of nice to see that as well as a function here. So, yep, this is the keyboard, guys. Check it out yourself, and I hope you have a great day ahead of you. So, take care, and soon in our better setup again, and I will see you around. Till next time, bye bye, you guys. My name is Petra, and I'm out.